What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are or not we, but I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own thumbnail. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, you want to go on the pixlr.com/e, and you're gonna pick this one right here. So then you're gonna press create new. You're gonna press full HD 1920 by 1080, and then you can create a name for it. So I'm just gonna put thumbnail, right? So I'm gonna do that. Press create. So it's gonna give you this. So now you go on Google, you look up, for me, I could just do Call of Duty background, right? This is it. Go on images. I could just use this one. I'm just gonna do this one for this one. You copy the image link. You go back on Pixlr, you press layer, add URLs layer, and then you're gonna paste it. Boom, and it's on there, right? So then when that's done, you have your background. So then now you are gonna press the little text icon, add text, and then I'll type in what? Call of Duty. Okay, so you could change the font by pressing this button. Like right now, this is probably my favorite font. And then you could change the size to like 200. Move it up. I don't really like to pick like a color right now. I normally like to do this, and I like to, the style. Background, yes. And you have the background as like, I'm probably going to change the color to blue, so I'm going to put it like as a light green maybe. And then, actually, we're just going to have no background. We're going to put an outline. So I kind of like gray right now, so we're going to keep it as gray, right? You can mess with the size of the background, but I like that. Shadow. And the shadow, we're going to have this color. And then we're going to press color, go to blue, put it as blue, and it looks like that now. So we're going to do this, right? And this is basically if you already have it done. So you're basically done already. But if you want to add a little more detail, you could go on Google. You could look up Instagram logo PNG. You find one that has 3 dots around it. Like if it, you see the dots right here? Then that means it's an actual PNG. So you press it, like what you always do. Add URL this layer. Paste. You add it, and then, okay boys, so I got it now. Finally found one. So you're just gonna make it like your size, right? So probably just about like right here in the corner maybe. Text. You want to add text layer, and I'll just type in some random letters. I'm gonna put like at whatever, right? So then go here, you move it around right there, and it should, whatever, if that's your Instagram, whatever, that's your Instagram, right? So then this is basically how you make a thumbnail, and those simple steps. And I'm probably gonna make another video if you guys want it. I'm probably gonna show you how to make a YouTube banner and a YouTube logo using this, because I could make a YouTube logo using this too. So if you don't have the time, or you don't have a computer to do this on, if you, probably in the description I'll put a link to my Instagram account, and I make these and I like sell them or whatever. So if you want me to make one of these for you, I will, if you don't have a computer or something. But I mean, yeah, that's basically it. And then if you want to know how to download it, you press file, save, and then you name it. You press JPN quality. It depends. I normally keep mine as like 90 so it can load faster, but I mean, I'll keep it at 95 and download it. Okay. So when it's downloading like this, it should say ready and whatever. So you press 3 dots, show in folder. You want to open, and it'll be in your files. So while it loads up here, okay, see, it's loaded. It looks pretty good, and that's how I make my thumbnails, guys. So if you want any more help, or if you want to know how to make a banner, it's not like this. You have to look up some more stuff, but I mean, yeah. I will see y'all guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and bye.